Welcome to Module 4, Speaking Like a Local. If Module 3 taught you how Indonesian words work, Module 4 teaches you how Indonesian relationships work. Imagine you are ordering coffee. The barista looks older than you. You smile and say, "Kamu ada menu?" Nothing is grammatically wrong, but the room suddenly feels a little awkward. Why? Because in Indonesian, choosing the right pronoun isn't just grammar, it's respect. Today, we're learning one of the most important cultural skills in Indonesian. Our investigation today is on why do Indonesians have so many ways to say I and you? English is wonderfully simple. I, you. Everyone gets the same word. Indonesian asks a different question. Who are you talking to? That relationship changes the language. Let's see how to say I correctly. I in Indonesian. Saya, aku, gue. Saya. It's neutral, it's polite, it is safe almost everywhere. Business meetings, teachers, people you've just met, government offices. When in doubt, choose saya. Aku. It's warmer, more personal. It's good when you use it for friends, family, romantic partners, and people you know well. Gue. Very informal, strongly associated with Jakarta and urban speech. Wonderful to use among closer friends, but not appropriate everywhere. How do Indonesians say you? Anda, kamu, lu. Anda. It is formal, professional. It's commonly used in public announcement or customer service, advertising, and interestingly, many Indonesians do not use Anda very often in everyday conversation. Kamu. It's friendly, common among equals. And lastly, lo. Very informal. Mostly Jakarta is good for close friends only. Now comes the cultural secret. Many Indonesians avoid pronouns altogether. Instead, they use titles. Pa, bu, mas, ba, ka, de. Notice something remarkable. You are not describing someone's job. You're describing your relationship with them. Pa, short for bapa. Older man, father figure, teacher, manager, shop owner, taxi driver, professor. Bu, short for ibu. It's good for older woman, teacher, mother figure, and professional respect. Mas. It's usually for young adult male, especially common in Java. Ba. Ba. Young adult female, also very common in Java. And more common is ka. Slightly older person, works almost everywhere. One of the safest choices. What about de? De is to call younger person. Usually someone clearly younger than you. Many visitors are surprised to be called pa or bu in their 30s. It's not about your age. It's a sign of respect. The speaker is placing you in a respectful social role. Here are some common mistakes. Calling every stranger kamu. Using gue with your professor. Using anda with your best friend. Thinking titles are optional. Now it's time to practice. You are talking to a university lecturer. How do you call them? Yes, pa or bu. What about your older cousin? Correct, kak. You are talking to a waiter who is 20 years older than you. Yes, pa. Now listen to this mini dialogue.
Permisi, Pak. Boleh minta menu?
Tentu. Silakan.
Which pronoun is safest when meeting someone for the first time? Correct, saya. Alright, today you learned pronouns express relationships. Titles often replace pronouns. Respect is built into everyday Indonesian. Speaking of culture, sooner or later every foreigner gets asked exactly the same questions. Some feel surprisingly personal. How do you answer politely without feeling uncomfortable? That's next. If you want to sound more natural in different settings, check out my conversion between casual and formal fluency course. Inside this course, we spend an entire section on navigating real conversations like this, because fluency isn't only about grammar. It's about making people feel comfortable talking with you. You can find the link in the description below. See you soon.